go. Hey guys, how's it going? Today we got another package video for you, and today's customer is from Matthew Trennan. His order today was the custom Dodge steering wheel. As you can see right here, his customization that he liked was the silver carbon fiber. He got the white leather with the red inlay and the red trim right there, as you can see. He came with the LED, so we're gonna go ahead and package this up for him and send it out. Then we're gonna go ahead and put it inside the box, right here. And then to go along with the steering wheel, we're gonna go ahead and add the smart box right here with the cable. And then the little booklet that comes with the extra wire that you're gonna need for installation. Add that, put that in there. And then we're gonna pack it up already into the secondary box. Nice and in there, fits. And then for the gifts, we're gonna go ahead and throw in the decal, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw in the black vicrez hat right there. After that, we'll close the box up. There you go. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hit us up on all social medias, that includes Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Check us out on YouTube for any future videos and content. See you guys on the next one. Thank you.